Hi guys, Serene Bookworks here again. Today is March 31st. Tomorrow is April 1st. So that means it's time for the April Express Yourself Traveler's Notebooks. So here they are. I think they are so pretty. I really like them. And I did something a little different with them that I'll show you. This is some fabric scrap. This one's kind of quilty. This one is more of a corduroy. And these flowers came with a really funky thing in the middle, which I just didn't like at all. So away it went. And this is just from the paper pad that I used. And again, you will be getting some different cards and ephemera and some trims to make these journals your own. So for this month, obviously, hopefully, the theme is nature. And we'll flip through one of these really quick. What about nature do you enjoy the most? Maybe it's the snow. A lot of people where I live are like, ugh, I'm done with the snow. Give me those first little pieces of spring. The snow doesn't really bother me too much. The heat of summer, that's what I don't care for. It doesn't get too hot here in Colorado though, so that's okay. Anyway. When I was building these, I thought that these covers were so pretty, and how could I make it more usable? So if you will notice, and talking about spring, it's an overcast day here, but I did put grommets, eyelets, whatever in here, because you can add or take away signatures in this notebook. There's another place for another one there, for example. Because that way you can keep the cover for whatever. Maybe you don't want to use it for this. Maybe you want to use it for another one of your inserts. And it will accommodate at least two. I checked that. So anyway. So we're going to go ahead and just flip through these. And as usual, they are bare-ish, ready for you to do your thing. I did put in a few little nips and tucks here with that paper pad. There's one here. This is my friend April did some marbling of paper with shaving cream, I think she said, and it turned out so super pretty. And this is a copy of that. I printed out some copies of it. It's a little glassine bag here. This is some really cool fibery paper that's got pieces of real plants in it. It's a little delicate, but oh my gosh, how pretty is that? And as you can see, I did these mostly in shades of purple, with a little bit of neutral going on. And, excuse me, this trim here, I ran out of purple trim, so I dyed that so that you would have a little bit of purple. There's another pocket. There's a tuck there. And here's some more of that really cool paper from April. It looks bluish, but it's kind of purplish. So anyway, it's really pretty. So here's the middle of the signature, and also this is where the insert can come in and out, and I will show you that. But these are really a lot of fun. A little bit of old music paper here. There's some more fun April paper. Love it. I got this at a garage sale. It was such a steal. Ugh. And I want to use every little bit of it. And I didn't want to cut her papers up either, so that's why there's a couple of different fold-outs here. And this is actually the paper that I was using to ink up some lace. So I thought it turned out kind of cute, so I just left it and put it in here. So there we go, and I will show you really quick, and then we'll move on to the next one. I know that most of the time it's elastic that are in these. I did not have any elastic, plus I didn't plan on making this this way. I was going to sew it all together. So if this can be tightened, it's looser now so that you can get the inserts in and out. And let me grab another insert here just to show you. This one's a big chunky one because I have it filled up with stuff. But yeah, see? I like it. So you're getting a really fun cover. Like I say, these will tighten up for you. So hopefully you like that. We will go through this one really quick, although as in the past with my other ones, they are very, very similar. Some antique lace pockets here, and again, same thing. You can definitely put more than one signature or one TN inside this cover. And there's some more of that really pretty paper. Here's some more of that ribbon that trim that I dyed. Sailing. So yeah, these are really pretty. I really like them. I was super excited that I was able to come up with something that will allow this to be hopefully more usable to you in the future. This is really cool. You can see where I was dyeing the lace, the pattern there. So yeah, don't waste your paper. Dye stuff on it and then use it. And here's the other side of that really pretty botanical paper. The feel of it is really cool too. I've used it in a few things. It's really nice. Really nice. And that just looks like a bunch of roses and stuff to me. Even though it's totally unintentional, it really looks pretty. Okay, so as you can see, there we are again. Super simple. This pops out so that you can, let's do both of these. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty. All right, so there we go. 1 and 2. This is April Express Yourself from Serene Bookworks. As you can see here, it's all just tied with some seam binding so that you can tighten it, loosen it, whatever you need to do. We're gonna go, we'll make this option corduroy and this option quilt in my Etsy store. They will be there later on this afternoon, along with those fun kits. All right. Hey, thanks for joining me today, and everybody have a great week. Bye.